Hello everyone, welcome to our class. Today we'll do the second class of the nutrition. So first of all, we can divide the nutrition into two. First is nutrition in plants and nutrition in animals. But in today's class we will see only the nutrition in plants. This part we will see in the next class. Okay, so nutrition in plants means which mode of nutrition will be here? Autotrophic nutrition. And autotrophic nutrition can be done by the photosynthesis process. We know the plants are autotrophs. Autotroph means those organisms who can produce their own food. They are known as the autotrophs, and plants are the example of autotrophs. So how plant can produce their own food? By the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so now we will see in the details of photosynthesis. So first of all, we should know that what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which green plants make their own food from carbon dioxide and water by using sunlight energy in the presence of chlorophyll. So this process is called as the photosynthesis. So the process of photosynthesis takes place in the green leaves of plant. In other words, food is made in the green leaves of the plant. The green leaves of a plant make the food by combining carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So what we need for the photosynthesis? What plant need for the photosynthesis? Four basic things. First is sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water. Sunlight comes from the suns, chlorophyll present in the plant. Now this carbon dioxide and water are the raw materials for plant. They need to collect this carbon dioxide and water. How they can collect the carbon dioxide and water? They can collect the carbon dioxide through gaseous exchange through the stomata. Now what is stomata? Stomata is basically a pore present in the leaf. Now this pore can be closed and open. See, this is the pore, this is the open stomata, and these two are the guard cells. These guard cells control the opening and closing of stomata. See, this is the picture of closed stomata. This is the picture of closed stomata. And this is the picture of open stomata. Now guard cells, how can control this opening and closing of stomata? Actually, when water flows into the guard cells, then they swell. And become curved and cause the pore to open. So when water flows into the guard cells, they swell, become curved and cause the pore to open. And when the guard cells lose water, they shrink and become straight. When the guard cells lose water, they shrink and become straight and help to close the stomatal pore. Next raw materials is water. How plant get this water? Plant get this water from the soil through the osmosis process. Plant gets this water from the soil through osmosis process. Next we will see the site of photosynthesis. What is the site of photosynthesis? Site of photosynthesis is the chloroplast. In chloroplast, the photosynthesis can be occur. See, these are the green colored leaves. Why they are green color? Due to the presence of chlorophyll in them. See, these are the chlorophyll present in tiny organelles called chloroplast. These are the chlorophyll present in tiny organelles called chloroplast inside the photosynthetic cells of leaves. So just now we have seen that these chloroplasts are the site of photosynthesis. So this is the 1, chlorophyll, that is the unit, that is the pigment of photosynthesis. This is one chlorophyll. It has been extracted from the green leaves of plants. See, this is the structure of a leaf actually. To show chloroplasts in it, these small circles, these are actually green circles. See, these green circles are chloroplasts in the leaf. See, these small green circles are the chloroplasts in the leaf, and we know that the site of photosynthesis in a cell of the leaf are chloroplasts. So chloroplasts can be seen easily by using light microscope. And these organelles known as the photosynthetic cells. In the structure of leaf, we can see that the middle layers in the leaf, the middle layers of the leaf, that is the palisade layer and spongy layer, these only contain the photosynthetic cells called mesophyll cells. These cells contain more chlorophyll than other plant cells. A typical photosynthetic cell of a green leaf may contain 100 or more tiny chloroplasts. So all of you have understood that this chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis. Now we will see the mechanism of photosynthesis. What actually happens during the process of photosynthesis? Okay, so the photosynthesis takes place in the following 3 or 4 steps. First is absorption of sunlight energy by chlorophyll. Second, conversion of light energy into chemical energy, and splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen by light energy. Now third step is reduction of carbon dioxide by hydrogen to form carbohydrate like glucose. So these are the steps of photosynthesis. First, absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll. Second, conversion of light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen by light energy. Third, reduction of carbon dioxide by hydrogen to form the glucose. So this is the mechanism of photosynthesis. So in this process, autotrophs are making their food. So this was our nutrition in plants. Now we will see some questionnaires on these. See, these are the questions based on this topic. These are basically come into your exam. So you can pause the video and you can take you can write it in your copy. Otherwise you can take snapshot and you can write in your copy. So first question we will see, name the process by which plants make food. Answer will be photosynthesis. Name a gas used in photosynthesis. Answer will be carbon dioxide. Name a gas produced in photosynthesis. Answer will be oxygen. Next, the leaves of a plant first prepare food A by photosynthesis. Food A then gets converted into food B. What are the A and B? Obviously A is glucose and B is starch. Now name the pigment in leaves. Name the pigment in leaves which absorbs sunlight energy. Obviously chlorophyll. Where is chlorophyll mainly present in a plant? Answer will be chloroplast. Next, which substance is used to remove chlorophyll from green leaf? KOH or potassium hydroxide solution. Which simple food is prepared first in the process of photosynthesis? Answer will be glucose. Now next, name the organisms that can prepare their own food, known as autotrophs. The cells which surround a stomatal pore, this is guard cells. Now I will tell some long answer type questions which are basically comes into the exam. These are, what is photosynthesis? All you know. Second, write chemical equation to show the process of photosynthesis. Yes, this is here. 6 carbon dioxide, 6 molecules water and light energy. Through the chlorophyll, it can produce glucose C6H12O6 and 6 molecules oxygen. Next, explain the mechanism of photosynthesis that I have discussed already. Name the raw material required for photosynthesis. These are chlorophyll, sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. How do plants obtain these raw materials? Raw materials means carbon dioxide, which will obtain from the air through stomata, through the gaseous exchange, and water will get from the soil through osmosis. Now next question, how do gut cells regulate opening and closing of stomatal pores? That I have shown already. So these questions are very important, that comes into your exam. Thank you everyone. Part 3 we will see in the next video.